Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Mail and focusing on the account that has the messages you want removed. Click the mailbox in the sidebar so you see its list. Once done, sort or search to surface the emails quickly. Make sure you are online if Mail syncs with a server, because local deletion versus server deletion depends on connection. If you use multiple accounts, confirm which one is active. That prevents accidental deletions from the wrong inbox. Now select the messages you want gone. Click a single email, Shift+click to highlight a block, or Command+click for non-adjacent pics. Once selected, press the Delete key or click the Trash button in the toolbar to move them to Trash. If you prefer menus, use Message, then move to Trash. Remember that moving to Trash is not permanent. It stages messages for final removal. If your account syncs with a mail server, those moves will usually mirror on the server once synced. Finish by emptying the trash. Choose Mailbox, then erase deleted items, or right-click Trash and select Empty Trash to permanently remove contents. Make sure Mailbox behaviors and preferences is set how you expect. Some accounts keep trash on the server, so clearing locally won't free server space. If deleted messages reappear, force a resync, sign out and back in, or remove and re-add the account as a reset. These steps fix common sync glitches and ensure deletion stays final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.